Good morning, children. Now, due to Corona, we are just keeping ourselves inside the house. We can't go outside, we can't go to our friend's house, we can't go to the playground, we are not able to go to our relatives' house. See, we can, so why don't we use our rooftop? We can here, we can study our lessons here, we can play games over here. See, I hope with me you can see the blue sky, you can see the green trees and the other buildings also. So it is why it is far better if we change the place of the studies. Now we can use this in the evening time, we can use our terrace also for learning our lessons. So I hope all of you will enjoy, all of you can see the blue sky also, and all of you can enjoy the open air also. This is very much needed. The open air, fresh air is very much needed for our for our health, isn't it? Okay, so today I am going to discuss class 2 chapter 9 moral value, a dove and the bull. Now before going to this chapter, I would like to convey you that if someone gives us anything, then what we would to say, we say thank you. Or if anyone says us thank you, then what we say in return, we say welcome. So these are the good manners, isn't it? We must appreciate him or her, or if anyone help us, we should respect that activity by saying thank you or whatever it may be. Okay, so let's study the lesson. The dove and the bull. Once upon a time there lived a dove and a bull in the village. Now see, once upon a time a dove and the bull, they both lived in a village. एक गांव में dove और bull रहते थे. It was summer time and the sun was very hot. Now see, you can see the sky, it's very hot, and it was the summer time, the weather was very hot, बहुत गर्मी था. A bull was sitting in the cool shade of a tree and chewing cud with his eyes half shut. Now under a tree a bull was taking rest and chewing his cud, and his eyes was half shut. आँख आधा बंद था और खाना च्यूइंग करते थे, और कहाँ पर थे? एक पेड़ के नीचे रेस्ट कर रहे थे. All of a sudden a dove came there and looked out for a place to sit under the shade. At that time, after some time, a dove came there and it was searching where to sit to take some rest. Dove sees that the bull sitting in that cool shade. Now dove ने देखा है कि बुल कहाँ पर बैठे हैं? एक पेड़ के नीचे. Dove also goes under the shade of that tree. It also goes under that shade of the tree. Silently dove sat on the one of the horn of the bull and kept sitting there till it had taken full rest. तो डव ने क्या किया? वो बुल का एक हॉर्न के ऊपर बैठ गए और पूरा रेस्ट ले रहे थे. It was taking full rest sitting on the one of the horn of that particular bull. Now before leaving, the dove wanted to show its cleverness. Now before leaving, it wants to show its cleverness. With whom? To whom? To the bull. Dove wanted to show the bull that it has used its horn as a seat without letting him know about it. तो डव ने उसको समझाने चाहता था कि उसका हॉर्न यूज़ किया है, लेकिन उसके बदले में उसका इन्फॉर्म नहीं किया है. इन्फॉर्म नहीं किया, बिना इन्फॉर्म के उसका हॉर्न के ऊपर बैठ गया और रेस्ट ले रहे थे. So the dove asked the bull, "Would you mind if I go now?" The bull replied, "I hardly care when a teeny creature like you comes and goes away after resting on my body." Now जब डव ने पूछा कि अभी तुम कुछ बोलोगे, हम चल जाएंगे, तो बुल ने बोला कि तुम्हारी जैसा छोटा छोटा क्रिएचर अगर हम मेरा बॉडी यूज़ करते हैं और रेस्टिंग मेरा ऑन माई बॉडी, मेरा बॉडी के ऊपर रेस्ट लेते हैं. इफ़ यू वुड हैव थैंक्ड मी फॉर यूजिंग माई हॉर्न, इट मस्ट हैव रेस्ड योर इम्पोर्टेंस इन माई आइज. अगर तुम्हारी जैसा क्रिएचर मेरे ऊपर रेस्ट लेते हैं तो हम उसके बारे में कुछ नहीं सोचते. लेकिन अगर तुम हमको थैंक्स देते हैं कि हाँ मेरा हॉर्न तुम यूज़ किए हैं, उसके बदले में तुम हमको थैंक्स दे रहे हैं, तो तुम मेरा पास इम्पोर्टेंट आदमी बन जाते थे. द डव फेल्ट वेरी अशेम्ड एंड वेंट अवे. तो डव को बहुत शर्म लगा. उसने इट वॉज फेल्ट वेरी अशेम्ड दैट यस ही यूज्ड द हॉर्न ऑफ दैट बुल बट इट नेवर थैंक्ड दैट बुल. सो इट इज़ very much useful for us, it is very much needed for us that whenever we take and someone's help, whenever someone help us, we should thank him or her. Okay my dear children, self importance always lets you down. Now if anyone shows him or her, अगर हम दिखाना चाहते हैं कि हम क्या हैं, तो वो सबसे बुरा बात है. यू नो जब वो जो पेड़ में बहुत फल होते हैं और वो पेड़ कहाँ पर जाते हैं, पेड़ एकदम माटी के ऊपर बो हो जाता है ना, देखा है ना कभी, पेड़ को मिट्टी के साथ मिला जाते हैं. तो जिसके पास जितना नॉलेज है वो उतना ही डाउन टू द अर्थ रहते हैं. सो माय डियर चिल्ड्रन, इफ it is my earnest request to you all, so please achieve the good behavior in your life. Always try to say thank you, welcome, please, or whatever these are the words we use to show our politeness to the other people, isn't it? So it is very much needed for our life. Okay my dear children, now I hope all of you understood. Please read the chapter 9 10 times as I used to say in the class, and in the next class I will do the copy work and the book work. Okay, stay home, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.